We just got back. Okay, let's get out of the plane and get our bags. Thanks, boyfriend. Okay, let's go. Whew, that was a long plane ride. Now we just need to get our suitcase, which is this. And now we're just gonna go. Whew. Let's get in a taxi. Okay, I'll get in a taxi. 1 second. Oh, I just need to go get something. Okay. I'm just gonna get a little bag of chips for me. Okay. And I gotta go back to Joe. Okay. I'll just eat these and then go. Okay, let's go. Let's go to our apartment.